In this video, we're going to take a look at how to use lights to light up your background to make it look like this. Let's get into it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I last posted a video here on YouTube, but I'm glad to say, we're back. Yes! So I get a message from a friend the other day who also watches my YouTube videos saying, hey Toy, how are you? Just to say a big thank you for all your videos on YouTube. Will you do one on which type of ring lights to get and how to have a good background for videos? So I thought to myself, yeah, I can do that. So I went online to do some research on the kinds of ring light you could use. The one I recommend comes with a phone holder and 2 tripod stands, one for the desktop and one for the floor. I covered the use of ring lights in a previous video briefly. I'll leave a link in the description below. Using a ring light is adequate for you to use in your recordings. Just bear in mind that it has to be as close to you as possible to give enough to illuminate your face when you're recording. So let's talk about background and how to create one that looks good on camera. Everybody has in mind what they want their background to look like, and to you or to me, there is no exception. For some people, all they want is just a plain wall with nothing on it. Some people would prefer to have pictures or to have a blurred background, and all these things add to the aesthetics of your video recording. For the purpose of this video, I'm just going to talk about the light used to create a background just like this. In this example, I'm using 2 different lights, a blue and a red, to mix them together to create what you're seeing right now. This was achieved by using these little guys. It's a Neewer 2-pack portable photography lighting kit that is dimmable, that comes with a mini adjustable tripod and color filters for tabletop or low angle photo studio shooting. Mouthful. In the box, you get 2 USB LED light panels with the USB cable attached to it, 2 mini adjustable tripod stands with extension rod. It comes with 2 sets of white, red, yellow, blue filters. So there you have it. This is as high as it will go. So nothing fancy. So let's talk about how you can use this. You can use it as your key light. Obviously, because it's dimmable, and then you're able to make sure that you can dial it down if you need to, or take it up if you want to. If you want to add a splash of color to your scene, you can then add one of the filters that's come with it, blue, red, or yellow, like I've just done here with the ones at the bottom here. You could do that. What else could you use it with? You could use it as a practical light, where you just put it, like I'm using this lamp now. I can just put it on the desk here and just have a bit of light somewhere, not necessarily doing anything other than just being in the frame, which leads nicely into the pros of the light itself. One is this tilt / adjustable head, where you can just lift it to whatever angle you want. I think it goes as far back as 180 degrees. So I suppose you can use this. You can even use this as a night light if you so choose. Another pro is that it's light, it's portable. It's also because it's powered by USB, or you can use one of these USB. You can use one of these USB wall sockets to plug it straight into, and then you can use wall power to light up the LED panel. There's no internal battery or a way where you can attach a battery to it that can make it completely wireless. Sometimes that could work to your disadvantage, because if you want to put it somewhere where you don't want cables lying around, then obviously this won't fulfill that need. Another con is the tripod itself is looks quite plasticky, which it might obviously, I mean, if you don't take care of it, it might, you know, crack or break. Or, I mean everything about the whole tripod is plastic. Yeah, and there we have it. Oh, I forgot to mention, I am very thankful for everyone who subscribed to my channel. I hit a milestone of 100 subscribers, and for that I am eternally grateful. And as a way of giving back and saying thank you, I'm going to be giving this set of lights to one of my subscribers, and the way for you to have a chance of winning that is leave a comment on this video saying mentioning how you plan to use these lights, and I'll probably choose one of those comments. And if it's only just one person who comments on this, guess what? You're gonna get it. I have to mention though that the light, I can only post this to you if you are within mainland UK. So I do apologize for anyone who's not in the United Kingdom presently. Obviously, you can appreciate that shipping outside the country right now might prove a bit difficult with the pandemic and all that going on right now. So the giveaway is only restricted to mainland UK. So on that note, I will say thank you and God bless, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Take care.